Welcome back to InvestMind Unplugged. Are you tired of wondering where your money goes every month? If you're ready to take control of your finances and build your first budget, you're in the right place. Today, we'll walk through 5 easy steps to create a budget that works for you, no matter your financial situation. Let's dive in. First things first, why budget? A budget is your financial blueprint. It helps you see where your money is going, set financial goals, and prioritize spending. Think of it as a roadmap for your financial journey. Whether you want to save for a vacation, pay off debt, or simply gain control over your money, budgeting is key. Did you know that 80% of people who budget successfully feel more in control of their finances? Step 1. Gather all your financial information. This includes your income, fixed expenses, and variable expenses. You might want to grab your pay stubs, bank statements, bills, and any other documents that reflect your financial situation. For instance, if you have a monthly salary, include that along with any side hustle income or freelance payments. Step 2. Determine your total monthly income. This includes your salary, side hustles, and any other sources of income. Make sure to calculate your net income, the amount you take home after taxes. Knowing your total income is crucial for effective budgeting. Use an average if your income fluctuates month to month, just to keep things consistent. Step 3. List your expenses. Start with your fixed expenses such as rent, utilities, insurance, and any subscriptions. Then move on to variable expenses like groceries, entertainment, and dining out. This step will give you a clear picture of where your money is going each month. Don't forget to include irregular expenses like car maintenance or annual subscriptions. Those can sneak up on you. Step 4. Set your financial goals. Think about what you want to achieve. Is it saving for an emergency fund? Maybe you want to go on a vacation, buy a new laptop, or pay off a credit card. Having clear, actionable goals will help you stay focused and motivated. For instance, if you want to save $1,000 for a vacation, break that down into monthly savings targets. Finally, step 5. Create your budget. You can use a simple spreadsheet, budgeting software, or a budgeting app, whatever works best for you. Allocate your income to your expenses and savings. A common method is the 50-30-20 rule. 50% for needs, 30% for wants, and 20% for savings and debt repayment. Make sure your total expenses don't exceed your income. If they do, it's time to adjust your spending or find ways to increase your income. Now that you've created your budget, it's time to maintain it. Review your budget regularly, whether it's weekly or monthly, to see how well you're sticking to it. Are there any areas where you overspent? Maybe you found some savings you didn't expect? Comment below with any challenges you face while budgeting or any successes you've had. Adjust your budget as necessary, and don't be too hard on yourself if you slip up. It's all part of the learning process. The key is to stay engaged with your budget. That's it! You now have the tools to build your first budget. Remember, budgeting isn't a one-time task, it's an ongoing journey. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to InvestMind Unplugged for more tips on personal finance. And if you're ready to dive deeper into managing your finances, check out our next video on understanding your credit score. Thanks for watching and see you next time.